okay? I'm hoping to convince you to open your practice to kids and teens. I'm going to make it really easy for you, step by step, different ways of playing, different ways of engaging, different ways of arming kids to help themselves. This is for clinicians, coaches, but it's also for parents. You know, there's something in here for everybody. There is a massive shortage on people that are helping kids. Some kids are waiting months and months and months to get any help at all. So, you know, I have a system which, while fantastic for therapists that work for kids, it's also good for coaches, right? Because it's not necessarily therapeutic interventions, but just different ways to coach kids so that they can do the things they want to do and feel the way they want to feel and just arm kids with a little bit more power in this crazy freaking world. So it's February 10th. It's Integrative Changework for kids and teens. Go to melissatiers.com and find out the details. Hope to see you there. It's going to be fun.